Kia ora, my name is Bia Bliss and I'm a holistic sex, intimacy, and relationship transformational facilitator. Mouthful, I know, and based in New Zealand. And in the SMA archetypes, I'm a romantic, alchemist, and connector. And this course really made me understand why mainstream advice wasn't working for me from these people that were making it. But they're not me and they are not my archetype. Like Denise, I have romantic in me and I want to chill and do things the easy way. I'm a square peg in a round hole, and learning about SMA really helped me to play to my strengths. And the reason why my messaging wasn't working and the reason why I was struggling just showing up, because I wasn't in alignment with my archetypes. And now that I know they exist, whoa, like now I only speak to the people that I'm here to serve, and I play to my strengths, and I let other people play to their strengths, and if they are in a different if they have a different archetype from mine. And it's such a game changer because it creates so much space in my life, in my heart, so I have a better work-life balance. I don't beat myself up too much if I just don't do it because why isn't this working? Well, the reason why it's not working is because I'm not playing to my strengths. And if you don't know what your strengths are, and especially with the sacred money archetypes, you're given lists, lots of lists, so you can actually just go back to them and refer to them. And nowadays I'm a lot happier, and I serve my people. Not everybody, I'm not here to serve everybody, and neither are you. So if you're considering joining the course, my advice is just to do it. Just do it, because you have a community, you have amazing content, there's just so much support, and you have the opportunity to also hear from people just like you, and you get access to come back again and again every time the course runs. So that's my my advice. Do it. Nothing to lose, everything to gain, and I'll see you there.